Welcome back, guys. Just a quick update video before I get to Gladstone and do the final tune. In the last video you would have remembered I still had the stock air filter on when I tuned it here in Toowoomba and making 142 horsepower, 137 foot-pounds. I knew, as I said, a little bit low, probably due to the stock air filter and a few other reasons, but I've finally got my new high flow air filter on. I wasn't able to go with the extreme ventilator from Screaming Eagle because they're on back order and they're out of stock. And the only other thing I could go with was Screaming Eagle's new high flow pod, so the heavy breather. So I think it's going to work really well. They prove really good on the dyno. So I'm looking forward to seeing what this thing produces up in down in Gladstone. I don't think it looks too bad. They're quite large. There's a lot of surface area there, so plenty of room to breathe. So I'm pretty sure we're going to see some bigger numbers for a couple of reasons. One, we have the new air filter, and two, in Toowoomba here, we are 690 metres above sea level, so that it works out, 690 works out to be about 2,200 feet above sea level. So there's more air, the higher we are, there's less air pressure. So down in Gladstone, higher air pressure because it's pretty much at sea level there. And so we're going to see a lot more power there anyway. So yeah, the 142 and 137 is going to be, we'll be way past that, I'm sure of it. And other than that, a couple other things I've done is just pulled the forks through the triple clamp 20 mil, and I've lowered the rear shock as well. So keeping it low, trying to keep it fast, and yeah, just looking really nice. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Air filter doesn't look too bad on there, considering I've seen them on other Milwaukee 8 Softails and they don't look as nice. They look a little bit out of place, but I'm really happy with that one. And yeah, that's about it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, because I'm going to get you guys some more footage when I get to Gladstone and do the final tune there. So you'll see a bit of tuning action going on up there. Also going to spend a bit of time with Mark and the guys up there to try and see if I can learn a few tips and tricks about even squeezing a bit more power out of this. So that's going to be interesting. And then from there, after the final tune's done on most likely the Friday, I'm going to get down to the test and tune at Benaraby Friday night, and hopefully get at least 2 passes in just to dial in the launch and see if we can get it out of the hole pretty quick. And then yeah, Saturday's live action racing. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out, and stay up to date with it, because yeah, there's going to be a lot of action coming up soon. Mark's running really good times. Sam's dyno's running just over 200 horsepower now, so he's going to be doing some real quick times. And yeah, there's a lot of quick bikes up there, so going to be awesome. Make sure you don't miss out. And yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the build so far. So yeah, make sure you stick around and check out the next videos that are going to come up really soon. So today's Wednesday, heading off to Gladstone Friday morning early to get up there to get it on the dyno, finish the tune up, and then yeah, get down there and do a few passes Friday night and get into it. So thanks very much, guys. We'll see you in the next one.